Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman's Attitude Makes Traffic Stop 10 Times Worse."
On March 15, 2025, officers initiated a traffic stop after a license plate check revealed the vehicle's registration was suspended.
You said there's nothing illegal in the car. You don't mind if I check that? Okay, you mind stepping out real quick and then you can look for the insurance? You mind just point your pocket? I
don't even got no car.
Okay, you mind just standing on the front corner?
Sorry, man. I'm good. Want to step up? Let's step up on the sidewalk here so we're not in traffic. Who you on the phone with?
I'm calling my insurance. You said what? That's not illegal. That's mad. That came from home.
Yes, it's about weapons, not whether it's legal or not.
I mean, they
ain't gonna do nothing to you.
No, that's not what he asked. We're gonna do something to him. He asked about weapons, not.
That's not a weapon. That's mad.
That's fine. That's right. It's besides the point. So what's going on tonight, man? What are you calling your insurance for? You got rules for your insurance or what?
Yeah, I got SR22. And he's saying they suspended, but it's not.
Your plate? Well, the plates are suspended in the system, so I don't know whether or not you got the SR22, you don't got it with you anywhere? Maybe an email somewhere? You don't got an email or something?
I mean, they probably got an email for it or whatever.
You don't got one though?
I know, because I had to delete my email too often.
Alright, I mean, you don't got nothing in the car saying that you got your SR22?
It's probably something up in here in this thing. But I got it.
Is this your car? Oh, you drive it most of the time? Or you drive it all the time? You drive the car all the time?
Yeah, it's my car.
It's your car?
And the only reason my pay to be suspended is for SR22.
Right, because for the insurance. So I don't know if maybe there's some confusion, but the fact of the matter is it comes up suspended in our.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's all. It just comes up suspended in our system.
Get somebody on the phone right now. Hello.
That's fine.
Hey, how you doing? I was calling because why he go on my purse? He didn't supposed to go on my purse if it wasn't open. But my purse wasn't open. You did not supposed to go in my purse. You said my car, not my purse. That's different. But you supposed to went in my car, not my purse. Okay, how you doing, ma'am? Hello? Okay, I was calling about my SR22. My SR22 is paid. It's coming up that my insurance is, my license plate is suspended.
So is that all?
I don't know the policy number, but I can give you my name and address and everything. He didn't supposed to go on my purse. That's a different thing. I know my rights. He didn't supposed to go on my purse. He said search my car. He didn't say purse. That's a different thing. Hello. And them antibiotics, you taking my medicine? Is you serious? Kanika, K-E-N-I-K.
No, boy. She said, I know my rights. You supposed to go and search my car, not my purse. But your purse is in the car. Let that sink in.
Last name is Anderson. You can't do all that. My car, not my purse. It's a difference, sir. Hello? The fuck? I ain't fucking crazy. I know my rights. Yeah, Kanika, K-E-N-N-I-K-A. Last name is Anderson. Fucking crazy, like I don't know my rights. So I need to speak to a representative. Do y'all got a 1-800 representative number? Hey, could y'all call y'all white shirt too? Call y'all white shirt. Y'all gotta call y'all white shirt. He said search my car, not my purse. So call y'all white shirt. Thanks. I appreciate that.
I'm sure you would.
Yeah, y'all gotta call y'all white shirt.
No.
Yes, y'all have to. Y'all do have to. Yes. Y'all do have to. You can't say no. You got to call your white shirt. I told him to search my car, not my purse. That's the difference.
If you feel like
I smoke marijuana, so that's my weed. I smoke that.
Why don't you listen to me real quick then?
No, because you're telling me no. You're telling me no. You was rude. That's rude to tell me no.
I'm being rude right now?
You was being rude. I just told you to call your white shirt because I didn't tell him. And he's still going through my purse, and you're not even finna stop him. He asked me, can he search my car, not my purse. That's the difference. I didn't tell him to go on my car. I I told him to search my car, not my purse. That's a difference. That's a real big difference.
You don't mind doing a PVT then?
I'm not doing nothing for you because I just asked. You said search my car, not my.
Well, that says nothing to do with the car now. I'm just asking if you had
I'm not doing nothing for you. I'm gonna give you my insurance so you can let me go on about my vehicle.
So then if we do standardized field sobriety tests, you're not gonna do nothing because your eyes are red, you got booze in the car.
That I smoke marijuana. That's my weed. I was smoking that weed.
You can't smoke and drive. It's the same thing.
Okay, but that don't matter. I smoked that weed all the way earlier.
What's early?
I'm not doing nothing for you. I'm sorry. I'm not doing nothing.
Okay.
Call y'all white shirt.
No.
And you still
She going to jail.
You ain't even supposed to win in my
We
purse.
have contraband in it, so that gives us probable cause.
You ain't contraband nothing. What is going on with these people?
You know, it's funny, right? So I was just talking with a postal worker the other day, and he was explaining to me, like, you know, about his job and stuff like that or whatever. And he brought up the fact that, you know, he was like, yo, they don't even drug test no more. Like, you know, I got my dab in my car right now. If you don't know what a dab is, it's kind of like it's like a vape, but like a marijuana version of like a vape or whatever, something like that. I'm not a smoker, so I don't know, but you know, it's something like that. And you know, so he loves his job, man. He loves his job. He was like, man, I get paid to drop paper in a box, you know, and he's like, I got my dab with me and everything, you know. So that is a big thing apparently with the Postal Service now, that they stopped doing drug tests and stuff like that. So everybody is kind of happy. So when she's like, man, I smoke weed, you know, somebody may be looking at this video and be like, how is she smoking? She's a postal worker, you know, isn't that federal or whatever, you know? And they don't drug test. So that's the whole thing.
Connected your car.
Huh?
Connected your car.
Oh, that's right. You keep telling me that. My bad. Because you ain't even supposed to take my car. That's something you can't do. I actually got insurance. I don't have to do that. Because I got insurance. You didn't even supposed to be searching my car for real. I agreed for you to do that. Because I didn't have nothing to hide. Why am I out here driving with no things on me anyway? Can we open this?
I'll ask him to open it.
I mean, he ain't gonna know what to look for, but right here, can you open that for me?
Let's just step back away from the street.
I mean, I'll get back, but I know damn well I got insurance, so he can't take my car.
The shooter's old.
You say what?
The shooter's old.
Who old?
The shooter of Tito's.
Yeah, that's old. That was in there yesterday. I've had that since last night.
Well, you smoked earlier.
I was smoking weed, yes. I was just smoking weed.
What's just smoking?
Like 2 hours ago. I just literally came from work. Like, I was just smoking weed.
Smoking weed at work?
I wasn't at work, like, in the parking lot smoking, but I was just smoking weed, like, 2 hours ago.
Okay. If we bring up breathalyzer out here right now, you'll blow straight zeros?
I'm not blowing in no breathalyzer. I didn't even have a reason to really get out the car because I actually got insurance.
We could ask anyone out of the car that doesn't...
I mean, well, I'm out the car. Well, I didn't even have a reason because I actually got insurance.
I'm gonna run you through some tests to make sure you're right to drive.
I'm not.
You're gonna refuse?
Yes, I'm refusing. I'm not doing that because I'm okay.
Are you sure?
What's wrong with me? You put me over for an invalid license, right, or something?
No, because your license plates are suspended.
Okay, so we finna call them and then we gonna get that settled.
Okay, that's out of discussion.
I'm done talking. Because you didn't even have a right.
You already talked too much. That's the problem.
Are you gonna do field sobriety test or no?
No.
Okay. At this point, then you're gonna be under arrest.
Okay, wait a minute. Hold on. Y'all ain't gotta do all that. Can y'all
Stop!
Stop! Y'all arresting me for nothing. Y'all don't even let me tell y'all to go. Don't fucking sit me on this fucking ground. Let me the fuck go. Let me the fucking ground. Let me the fuck go. Let me the fuck go.
Turn over. Send it some more lights. Boy,
get off my fucking.
Ow!
Get off my head.
Do not bite me.
Can I get more for
What did you want my hands for? You are so fucking mad.
Not fighting.
And I asked y'all for a white person. Y'all really finna be into a mess. Y'all finna be into some mess.
Oh, what the?
No, we are doing this.
Oh,
Get the fuck off of me.
oh.
Y'all finna really be into
Damn.
mess. Call y'all white person. Call y'all white
He ain't
person.
had to take her hat off. Oh man.
Do just that. I can't believe you just fucking flipped me like I'm a fucking man.
Let's go.
Fuck is wrong with you? Let me go. Then you aggressive as hell. Let me the fuck go.
Resist. Stop.
Fuck is wrong with you?
Stop resisting.
Let me the fuck go.
Have them take her.
Fuck is you talking about? Let me go. Y'all aggressive as hell. I'm a fucking woman. Let me the fuck go. He don't have to grab my arm like that.
She could kiss her job goodbye.
You already bit me.
Boy, fuck you, because you shouldn't have grabbed me like that. You sitting on my fucking head like I'm a man. Ain't no fucking man.
All right, we gotta go to one of my
Let me the fuck go. I'd rather them just take me, the ones that just pulled up. Let me go.
I'm not letting you go.
Y'all can let me go. They can take me somewhere.
Ma'am.
Tell them like, yeah, tell them you got it.
Okay.
Tell them you got it and let me go. Let me go.
Hey.
Tell them to let me go.
She's gonna
She
get
bit the out of my leg.
weed, knife, DUI, resisting, like that.
Over there, they just sat on my head. Is you listening to me?
Yeah, but it would make sense she would have a knife though.
I'm scared
Box
to get in
cutters
that
and
car.
stuff.
Follow you back and you get out of the car.
I'm scared to get in that car. Hell
Mike,
no,
then
I'm
put her
scared to get
in his car.
How about we go in that car? You
We can go in your car, baby. We definitely can go in your car.
A simple plate check exposed much more than suspended tags. Officers uncovered a weapon, drugs, and a suspect willing to bite her way out of trouble. Share your thoughts below and don't
Yeah, I mean, she could kiss that postal job goodbye. I could tell you that. That's over with. But yeah, nowadays they let you kind of, the whole weapon knife thing. I mean, it would make sense to me. You know what I'm saying? Like to me, that's not nothing crazy, but that's why, yeah, she gave consent to search and all this other stuff. And oh, well, and then her true attitude came out afterwards. You know what I'm saying? That's what made it even worse. If she was just getting locked up for the DUI or whatever, it would have been like, all right, but now that you biting and fighting and all that stuff, like, it's over with. Yeah, you're cooked. Anyway, I think the cops did a decent job, man. I'm going to give them a 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think they did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.